Hello everyone, my name is Javar Colon and I'm the founder of Unity within our community. Today is our third community movie night. We did Blue Beetle this year. Everyone was pretty ecstatic throughout the theater. Everyone had a great time. People often ask, why do we do this event? What does Unity have to do with bringing people to a movie theater? Well, movies allow us to do a few things together. We cry together, we laugh together, and we enjoy everyone's company within that theater, no matter what our religion is, no matter what our political affiliations are, no matter what our gender is, no matter what our preferences are. We all share that theater, and we all root for the same thing. That shows you we can put our differences aside to have a great time and have a common goal. So we need to do that more often throughout life, because that's what Unity is all about. Thank you.
I'm Deani.
I'm Kayla.
I'm Riley.
And
we're here.
we watched Blue Beetle. Comes out tomorrow. Go watch it.
At the Reading IMAX.
Let's go!
Hi, I'm Sean Brzezinski,
And I'm Allie Hemig.
and we're here with Unity within the community.
Hi, my name is Dasani. I'm at IMAX with Unity within our community, and we're watching the Blue Beetle, and I am loving it. It's great so far.
Hi, my name is Lucas Brea, and I'm here with Unity within the community to see the Blue Beetle.
Hi, my name's Coco. I'm at IMAX. The Beetle movie was it was fire.
Period.
It was really good.
Thank you.